Okay, let's do question 8. This time, the row reduced echelon form of a system, augmented matrix of a system is given. The system has the unknowns W, X, Y, and Z. And then the question is find the answer. Always, when you find the row reduced echelon form of an augmented matrix, you stop for a second. First, check consistency. Do we have any row, 0 on the left-hand side, non-zero on the right-hand side? No, we don't have. So it is consistent. So check if RREF gives us or have 0 and then non-zero on the right-hand side. Just check consistency. That's the first thing you have to check. So in this case, no. How about then, when you're sure that it is consistent, the second step is that see which rows, which columns have a leading one. So find columns with leading. So here, this is one leading one, and that is another one. So the column 1 has a leading one, and column 3 has a leading one. Okay, it means that there are columns without leading one, and that means that we are going to have infinitely many solutions. So just right here, column 2 and 4 have no leading one. It is consistent. There are some columns without leading one. Right away, you go ahead and conclude that there are infinitely many solutions. How do we find those ones? Okay, to find the solutions for infinitely many, for a system with infinitely many solutions, what you do, you first assign parameters to the columns without leading one. Here, I assign S to this guy and T to this guy. You could do any order you like, just S and T. Okay, now, what I have done is that I have assigned the second variable. Second variable here is X. So I said that X is S. And the fourth variable here is Z. So Z is equal to T. What about the rest? Well, just write down the equations for each row. So the first row gives me W minus 3X equals to 0. And the second row, this is first row. The second row gives me Y plus 2Z equals to 1. Okay. So if you have those ones, then just replace the parameters in those equations. So wherever you see X, you replace it by by S, and wherever you see Z, you replace it by T. So W is going to be 3S, and Y is going to be 1 minus 2T. Now we found all the solutions. W, X, Y, and Z must be equal to 3S, S, T, no, 1 minus T, 1 minus 2T, that's Y, and Z is T.
Sorry, do you mind explaining why the variables?
Just a second. And that will give me the right answer, which is D.